Next. Shenseea. Shenseea? Hi, how you doing? Make yourself comfortable and take a seat. Assistant, bring some water for my client there, please. So Shenseea, what can I do for you today?
Let me tell you now a little story.
Wait!
Assistant, you shouldn't even be in here.
Yeah, you like to scam me. One.
Me have a man, why have a woman when don't know about me.
She don't know about you, but you know.
Boy, me know a she, but she don't know me. Be open on my feelings for your next girl, man.
I fucking knew it!
Shut up, man.
Sorry. Go on.
Anyway, back to you. So you know about she, but she don't know about you. So basically then, he's a side chick. You're sad.
Normally me a wife, me no whole side bitch position.
I see what's some of this.
Me know it wrong, but it never plan.
Since I know say wrong, do better no? I know say you deserve better, and the wife deserve better. How about him, sweetest man?
The body make me happy.
So the things that one I take a hard for she left.
Sorry, son, you never have a chance. Anyways.
I don't really have a problem with it, you know.
When you are the wife, you don't know who else in my free.
I choose she attack, you know. Right? Right?
I'ma feel a little better if I mean cheat with.
Move over, doctor. I'm going to talk to a woman to woman.
Jesus Christ.
Between me and you, him give you things also.
Spoil me, treat me like a wifey.
Yeah, girl. Call it.
Why you uphold that slackness?
I want to talk to the lady, woman to woman. Doctor, I want to talk to your assistant alone, please.
You're wrong, Shenseea. Watch me out.
Girl, I have a man, you know. And when me I talk to the little dirty boy, I'm up on him phone and text people. No, girl. Mine have
Respect non text when him beside me. Plus him know me not go confront the girl.
exactly, girl. No, you make me think hard. Girl, look on this. At 3 years, me and him there for. He won't put me up on internet or so, you know. But girl, him behavior change. At least you get post up.
If me see them together, me in my feelings, but still me not leave.
Girl.
This is not my style and not for me tan.
No, man, me I said so like you have a nice relationship. Nice, bad. Based on what I tell you, you feel like say my man a give me bun? Girl, I'm gonna be honest with you. You say my text when you talk to him, right? Plus him behavior off. More than like him a give you bun. Calm down, man. Sit down back there. Me and wife used to go through the same thing where you go through, my love. Best thing I can tell you right now, I lift the boy and take a girl, man. You go see the difference. No, girl, me not think that right. Girl.
A man is always gonna cheat, I benefit him.
Me?
Prefer know who him a fuck and be the victim.
No, girl, that sound like you degrade yourself. Me not like it.
The man not like me, not know my worth. It make me happy, so me I go make it work.
A true you talk. Cause doctor always tell me say once you're happy in a relationship and that alone matter. Exactly so. But
Me can get hurt.
girl, him can just come to me one day and tell me say him not hurt him wife no more and just left me. A true you talk, you know. Because me dey have a friend where they take a girl, man, and the man left her. Like that me I show you. I show fool too, cause the money where the man used to give her, the girl party it right out, she not save nothing. So what you think me I do? Me I save.
Me comfortable, leave it, do me and a first.
Know your word.
Move now. Sure. Anyway, so I'm asking you a serious question. You plan to do this the rest of your life?
Me I go with the flow, not disturb the peace, make it flow naturally.
Boy, you strong, sir. And again,
Me know me can get hurt.
I'm not up with your slackness, you know. Once you're not brawling in a man-woman face, and you're happy, do what you do, my love.
So me I go make it work for now.
Enjoy yourself and respect the man wife.
Yeah, cause when your wife is still a get bun. I prefer know about it.
Oh, mommy,
Yes.
I'm cutie.
can we go home now?